How to recover Facebook deleted post on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to recover your Facebook deleted post on Android. So in order to recover your deleted post on Facebook, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end. And the first thing, you have to go ahead and log in into your Facebook account. So once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, tap the try bar icon from the top left hand side and go to the gear icon. After that, it's going to take you to settings and privacy. While you're on this page, scroll down right to the bottom and head over to the section that indicates your information. Along with that, there are multiple tiny options. Go ahead and select the one that says download your information. Now click the continue button in order to proceed on. Here it's going to direct you to the page where you have to go through all of these statements. And as you can see, in my case, I've already done the procedure twice. And from here, make sure to uncheck all of the account that you actually not needed. Make sure to mark on the account. Now just clap on the next button and make sure to specify the type of information that you actually need. Since you're doing it how to recover your post, make sure to scroll down a bit, and from here you have to select post. Let me just go ahead and select the post button. Then all you have to do is just make sure to tap on it and click the next button, and the other interface is going to ask you to wait patiently until you get further notified. So that's basically how you can recover your Facebook deleted post on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.